If there is any mistake, we will correct it and we will develop our knowledge. So students, now I am going to start our base of English language. And what is the base of English language? The base is grammar. Some people say that grammar is not a base. Some think that only uh, continuous speaking, comprehension, understanding, continuous continue speaking is the base. But if you want to learn a language properly, correctly, then the base is very much important. And base means the grammar. With the help of grammar, we can speak correctly, we can write, we can communicate each other. So, first of all, in our English subject, some important things are important. Parts of speech, this is one of the important factor that we should learn hardly. For example, if we think about a sentence, I am going to the market. If anybody asks you what is I, what is am, what is go, and why do we use ing, and what is object, so that's why we must know the parts of speech for the sentences. Okay. Now we are going to start the first important chapter, that is parts of speech. Now students, if we understand the words, what type of word it is, then we can speak the sentence, we can write the sentence correctly. We can classify the sentence according to the grammar base. No doubt, grammar is not essential to learn English language. Is it also said? But as an English language, we must know the grammar. So, for your kind information, these parts of speech are very much important for all of us. In parts of speech, now there are 8 types of words that we know. First is noun. In parts of speech, there are 8 parts. First is noun. Noun means naam. थोडक्यात सांगतो, आपल्याला इतकं डिटेलमध्ये शिकायचं नाही आहे, कारण तुम्हाला ते सर्व माहिती आहे, परंतु एक ओव्हरलुक म्हणून आपल्याला हा भाग शिकायचा आहे. एक जस्ट ग्लान्स आपल्याला ह्या पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीचवर टाकायचं आहे. नाउन, एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं, स्थळाचं, पर्वताचं, नदीचं नाव म्हणजे नाउन. सेकंड, प्रोनाउन. सुरुवातीला आपण नाम पाहिलं, अ बॉय, अ रिव्हर, अ बुक, a chalk, a whiteboard, a marker pen, a person, everything. मग पुन्हा नाउन मध्ये प्रकार आहेत. प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन, ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन, मटेरियल नाउन, collective noun. These are the various types of noun, but we are learning simply what is noun. Then the second is pronoun. प्रोनाउन म्हणजे सर्वनाम. सर्वनाम नामाच्या ऐवजी येणारा शब्द. द वर्ड विच कम्स इन विच is used instead of noun is called pronoun. The word which is used instead of noun, that is called pronoun. For example, Rama is a clever boy. He is a tall boy. Now in the second sentence, he is used for Ram. No? So he, she, it, they, we, these are the pronouns. म्हणजे नामाच्या ऐवजी येणारा किंवा वापरला जाणारा शब्द म्हणजे प्रोनाउन. तिसरा जो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आहे तो म्हणजे ऍडजेक्टिव्ह. ऍडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे काय? विशेषण. विशेषण म्हणजे नामाच्या बद्दल अधिक माहिती सांगणारा शब्द. द वर्ड which tells something more about the noun is called an adjective. Okay, what the point? Ram is a very clever boy. Clever is an adjective. Okay, this is a blue pen. Blue, this is an adjective. Okay, the next word, verb. Verb means क्रियापद. क्रियापद, the word which shows the action is called verb. Very simple definition. मराठीमध्ये आपण जो शब्द क्रिया दाखवतो त्याला क्रियापद असं म्हणतात. उदाहरणार्थ, खाणे, पिणे, शिकणे, झोपणे, बसणे, उठणे, जाणे, येणे, पाहणे, हे सगळे शब्द क्रिया दाखवतात. व्हॉट द पॉइंट? राईट, सी, लिसन, वॉच, स्पीक, राईट, पोट, पीक, रन, ऑल दीज आर द वर्ड्स. म्हणजे थोडक्यात जो शब्द क्रिया दाखवतो त्याला क्रियापद असं म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट इज ॲडव्हर्ब म्हणजे क्रियाविशेषण. क्रियाविशेषण म्हणजे काय? क्रियापदाबद्दल अधिक माहिती सांगणारा शब्द. रमेश रन्स फास्ट. I speak fluently. We learn hardly. These are the adjectives. So, क्रियापदाबद्दल अधिक माहिती जो शब्द सांगतो त्याला क्रिया विशेषण असं म्हणतात. गुड, व्हेरी गुड. प्रेपोजिशन मीन्स शब्दयोगी अव्यय. शब्दयोगी अव्यय म्हणजे काय? द वर्ड विच शोज द रिलेशन बिटवीन टू नाउन्स, टू प्रोनाउन्स, दॅट इज कॉल्ड प्रेपोजिशन्स. म्हणजे दोन नामांमधील किंवा सर्वनामांमधील संबंध दाखवणाऱ्या शब्दाला प्रेपोजिशन असं म्हणतात. उदाहरणार्थ, इन, ऑन, अंडर, ॲट, between, among, toward, behind. There are near about 24-25 among. Near about there are 24-25 preposition in English. If we use this preposition, the sentence is very much powerful and it is meaningful.